Senator, can we just get your reaction? Sabi ng party list coalition, dalawa na lang daw ang pinagpipilian nila for speaker. Si Congressman Romualdez at si Congressman Velasco.
I heard about that. Yeah, mukhang dalawa na lang. Ngayon, si Dong Aitek is going to try to rally on the PDP. Kasi maraming PDP. Pero with the statement of the President and the President's daughter, they will allow the House members to select among themselves who they want to head the House. I will repeat again that my projection is that Congressman Martin has the edge versus other candidates.